Hello and welcome back to Lana's Little Things with me, Dr. Lana, specialist gerontologist, talking all things on living agelessly, bridging generational gaps, family, caregiving, entrepreneurship, and just life itself. We got Phoenix to join us. So what we're talking about today is wandering. And for persons who have Alzheimer's, you families, you know that that's so distressing. They're gone. They've disappeared. What to do? Well, help. There's help. There's help. Some help. So there are things you can do outside the house, inside the house, socially, and using technology. Let's get going. Inside the house, there's some things you can do, such as put door locks, install door locks, put secure alarm bells on those locks, install deadbolt or a latch at the top of the door so that they can't reach, and just pull it down or open it and get outside. Childproof doorknobs, because these knobs are installed so that it's difficult to open. They can't quite get it open. You can also disguise the exit of the door. So if it's a brown door, you can make the knob brown. If it's a white door, you can make it white so that it seems seamless and you're not sure which way is out. Now, what about the outside? Well, outside is quite similar. If you have gates or fences, install some alarm trigger system that tells you that someone is out or trying to get out or in, and you can always, and that makes that chimes or alerts, nothing to startle the person, but they're aware that you are aware that something's happening, especially after hours when you really don't know what is going to happen, and you don't want to, and you can't stay awake all night. Let's be frank. So you disguise the exit. You're going to secure, again, any outer area, familiar area to them, like the back gate, for example. They like to do that. Or you can put we said bell on the door. But also, what can you do socially? You can also trigger the, what was that? Oh, door sensitive mat that you can install so that when they step on it, it ding dings and everybody knows that something's going on. Remove the trigger socially. You can remove the triggers for them. What do I mean by triggers? Well, if they're accustomed driving and they know they don't know they can't drive anymore. So you remove the keys, remove the coat, remove the bags, remove the familiar items that they associate. Oh, it's starting to rain, yay. That they associate with going out. Also, socially, make sure you engage them in activities, exercise. Just keep them talking during the day, especially, so that when night comes, they can sleep, and so can you and everybody else in the house. Deal? Deal. When it comes to their behavior, what you can do also is just make the engagement, make sure they're eating, make sure they've had enough to drink, set up a go to sleep routine so that they know, okay, lights go down, this happens, getting ready, they're getting their tea at night, so that they know, or the brain has a register for we're going to bed. I hope you can still hear me through the rain. Whew. This is the day. Longest day of the year. This has been awesome. What about technology? What can you do about technology? Well, there's so many gadgets out there. So many gadgets. So having an ID bracelet, ID chain. Some people are very sensitive to those sorts of things. It reminds them that they're no longer able to help themselves, or they might just take it off because they don't want it. So what you can also do is a tracking device in their bag or purse or wallet to make sure that that goes off. It has a GPS. It has a connecting with the emergency centers. It connects to your number so that you can tell, or they can press it, or it tracks them really, and you have access to the tracking, so you know it's safe. What else in Jerry technology? Well, you know those buttons that you have for in case of falls when no one's home, or in between the caregivers coming and person does not have anyone really supervising them. You can. They have a bracelet that, if in case they fall and can't get up, you know how that goes. It They press that button and it dials the emergency number in your area. They said 911 is generally universal, but check your local numbers as well. Right. What's the other thing you can do? Well, gadgets, again, like the Sense Mat. Persons may also know that that mat is something that tells you that they're there. So what you can do is put little disguises or make the mat look pretty. Just make it look like something that is not, we're watching you, we're watching you, we're watching you. So I hope this has been helpful. There are ways that you can reduce wandering, reduce your loved one disappearing, and tell me what you have found to be interesting. Share with a friend these tips so that they can be helped. There's not much we can do about wandering. We can reduce it, but I mean, Alzheimer's and dementia, they are what they are. And we are to just wait and work with present moment, really. So, right, we do what we can, we do our best. So, from my heart to yours, Dr. Nana saying, have a good night. Summer solstice. Summer has begun. For those of you in temperate countries, rain has begun. For those of us in the Caribbean, Phoenix and I say, from our heart to yours, take care. All the best. Mwah. Okay. Listen to it stop.